So should you visit Florence in August? We're out on the streets today to show you what it's like during one of Italy's busiest public holidays.
We're Matteo and Misha. We're currently traveling to all 20 regions of Italy on the ultimate Italian road trip. In our previous episode, we covered everything you need to know about Florence's main train station, Santa Maria Novella. Today, we take you through the streets of Florence and show you what to expect if you're visiting during the Ferragosto holiday and the month of August.
Visiting Italy during the month of August may seem a bit confusing, as you will surprisingly find a lot of places closed. You'll see signs outside businesses, especially family-run businesses, restaurants, bars, and shops saying they are closed for the month of August, or at least a good chunk of it. As temperatures soar, Italians escape the summer heat in the cities and go on holiday to the coastal mountains with their families. If you saw our Sicily in August episode, you know that the beaches get absolutely packed, and it can be pretty chaotic if you don't know what to expect. Italy and the month of August have a relationship dating back to the 1st century BC with the creation of Ferragosto. Today, Ferragosto is a public holiday celebrated on the 15th of August in all of Italy. However, it originates from the festival of Emperor Augustus, who made the 1st of August a day of rest after months of hard work in the agricultural sector, traditionally marking the end of the harvest season when friends and family gathered together to enjoy the fruits of their labor. As the festivity was created for political reasons, the Catholic Church decided to change the date to the 15th of August, as it is the Assumption of Mary.
So in the city center in August, it is still bustling. If you did want to go to museums or the Duomo, you should definitely still buy tickets in advance. It is by no means light on travelers. So there is still quite a vibe. Lots of bars and restaurants open, lots of shops open for leather, souvenirs, trinkets, and all of those things.
Hey, Taga, if you saw our Rome video, you know this place holds a special place, I'd say in our hearts, but really it was just, actually more of like a section where we just still couldn't find our 3. Maybe we'll have some luck today, if we needed it. Now you get to see San Lorenzo as well.
What is San Lorenzo? Go ahead and tell the class.
I'll tell you now. So San Lorenzo was the church of the Medici. So their villa is right next door. There actually is a chapel behind the church where they are actually all buried, and it's a place full of riches and stuff. They never finished it though. It's still under construction. I think it's been under construction for 300 years, ever since the last Medici died. I mean, it's Italy. Things go slow. It's not the prettiest church from the outside. However, inside is incredible. If you're entering Florence by train, you should see 2 domes. One of them is the Duomo and the other one is the Church of San Lorenzo, the dome behind me. Alright, so it is Ferragosto weekend, and once you come into the center, it looks as though nothing's changed. There's still a lot of people out. Museums are open, churches are open. However, the moment you leave the center, all the shops in that are closed. The area where we live in is very just closed. There's no shops open. Everybody's gone on holiday. Surprisingly, we expected August to be the hottest month, as it has been in the past. However, July was an intense month. July was really hot, and that's where those heat waves were coming through Europe. However, we expected August to be even hotter, but it's not. It's actually fairly cool. So that's a pleasant surprise.
If cool is 90 degrees Fahrenheit.
If you saw our Rome video and you took our recommendation to watch the Medici series on Netflix, then you should know who this guy is behind me. This is Cosimo the Elder. I'll tell you more about him, but go check out the series, then come back and let me know that you watched the series, you loved it. Leave a comment below, let us know what you thought about him. He is the OG Medici, the man who made Florence what it is today.
Not gonna lie though, this statue isn't nearly as attractive as Richard Madden. So that's a little bit of a disappointment.
So there's eye candy as well. Look forward to it.
Rob Stark plays Cosimo, so makes it a very sexy program.
So life is going on pretty normally here, although it is mostly tourists and travelers, not so much Italians. All the monuments, restaurants, gelaterias are pumping. Even though it's really hot, people are just out enjoying life and this beautiful summer night.
During August, all the Italians go to the coast for holiday and they close down their shops and that. So only the major stores such as H&M, Zara, and these other fancy Calvin Klein and all the ones that are higher class stay open. However, the mommy poppy shops actually close during August. They go off to the coast and they seem to reopen anywhere from the 20th of August onwards.
So we've made it to the Ponte Vecchio bridge and it is bustling. Sun is setting, so it's a very lovely vibe. We've got some live music going on. Filled with people enjoying the summer evening.
We have a whole Florence series lined up for all our viewers out there. However, we just thought we'd give you a teaser for the day. Just a nice little sneaky walk around the city. We have a lot coming, so be prepared. If you saw our Rome video, then I have been craving our Ferragosto sandwich since we left there a good 2 months ago. Maybe that's for dinner. We'll see what's on the agenda.
Ooh.
All right, so it was looking positive. It is actually currently 8 p.m. and the lines look a bit crazy, so we might be skipping it today. It's the middle of August. I'm pretty sure I expected this place to be a bit dead, but L'Antico Vinaio is absolutely pumping. There are 3 shops here though, 3 of the little restaurants.
Yeah, that line is nuts. And it just keeps going and going and going. And on this side,
Gelatsky for dinner it is. Kids, the only perk of being an adult is deciding what's for dinner, which means no one can tell you no if your dinner's gonna be ice cream.
I was looking forward to my panino though. Go get a little bit of ice cream, a little bit gelato for dinner.
We're at Gelateria Neri. It is a famous gelato shop here in Florence. There's always a line outside of this place. Unlike Antico this evening, there's actually nobody here and they are open. So, folks, this is what we're having for dinner. Let's go and choose our flavors.
Sure.
did he say it's spicy?
Spicy. It says it's called Mexican chocolate with pistachio and pepperoncino.
That's like cold Nutella.
Questo anche l'altro in secondo.
Sì, con l'abbinamento che ci sta secondo me è il caramello salato.
That one. Caramel, salted caramel.
Lascio la pistacchio.
Buono, grazie.
So I got Mexican chocolate with pistachio and pepperoncino. So that's exciting. And then chocolate from Modica. If you saw our Modica chocolate video, you'll know that chocolate from Modica is absolutely delicious. If you're ever passing through Sicily, you have to go to Modica.
I think I just got half a tub of Nutella, which I'm not mad about. It literally tastes like cold Nutella. Wearing white was the wrong decision for this evening. And then this is like a salted caramel. It's very intense, very flavorful.
Oh yeah, that's a straight up.
I'm definitely gonna spill on myself.
Her Nutella flavor is the signature flavor of Neri. It's called
Nutella.
something Neri. Something to do with amaretto di Neri. I don't know.
This is delicious. Like you can tell, this is like packed. It is. They do not skimp on the flavorness. Flavorful.
The salted caramel.
That's
delicious.
what I'm saying. I don't even know how to explain that. They don't skimp on the like flavorness. Flavor.
Do you want to eat it before you spill on your new dress?
Yeah. Oh hey. Didn't see you there.
You're spilling.
It's like a seriously bad decision.
Look at it. Oh.
I hate eating in public precisely for this reason.
I usually get a cup.
In summer, a cup is probably your better bet because it is so hot. Gelato melts faster than normal ice cream on a good day. So in the summer, if you're really not trying to mess up your outfit, maybe stick with a cup.
I want to taste yours.
I have a stomach ache.
Oh, yours is good. They're completely different. Taste mine.
Mmm.
Yours is more intense.
I was gonna say yours isn't as intense as mine. Maybe that's why it doesn't taste good to me right now because I just ate like 12 pounds of sugar.
Dude, yours is hectic.
It's not my finest moment. I mean,
If it's hot outside, make sure you get in a cup if you don't want to spill everywhere. Cone's more satisfying. Cup's a lot less messy. Unless you have a bottle of water in your bag like I do, because I'm always prepped for this type of mess, get it in a cup. Mateo's advice of the day. Mateo's gelato advice of the day. I do skewer towards artisanal gelato most of the time. However, di Neri is a very, very, very good exception for non-artisanal gelato. Wow, I just took a suck of the last little bit of my gelato, my cone, and like all the picante from my Mexican chocolate pistachio picante ice cream just came all the way down the bottom. It has a little spicy kick in the back of your throat, which is quite exciting because you get the sweet ice cream, the sweet gelato with the spicy kick. You have to try the Mexican chocolate with pepperoncino. It's definitely worth it. Definitely worth a sample. Definitely worth a try. Michelle's a bit intense. If you like really sweet things, this is good.